You think it's just one more scroll, but hours are gone before you notice. You want to work, but your mind feels stuck and tired. Distraction feels easy, so you keep choosing it. Every day you stand between progress and comfort wins. You tell yourself just 5 more minutes, but it never ends. Mornings come, but you still feel tired from wasting the night. You try to start, but something always pulls you back. And deep inside, you know something is wrong. You feel stuck, but you don't know why. Days turn into weeks without real progress. You see others moving forward while you stay still. Money, time, energy slowly slipping away, and the cycle repeats every single night. You plan your life but never follow it. You start feeling small in a world that keeps moving. Frustration builds, but nothing changes. Until one day, you see your future self clearly, and you realize this is not who you want to become. So you make a decision to change. You wake up earlier, even when it feels hard. You start writing simple goals and stick to them. You focus even when distractions call you. Small wins start building confidence. You learn instead of wasting time. You ignore distractions and choose discipline. You move your body and feel alive again. You start saving, building your future slowly, and progress becomes visible. You finally feel in control of your life. Your 20s are not wasted if you decide today to change everything.